Hey guys, welcome back to Go Recipes. Today's recipe is currant rolls, which are said to have evolved from the eccles cakes brought to the Caribbean by the British in the 18th century. So, first we're going to start off with our pastry. We've got some flour here. We're going to add in our butter and rub it in until it forms breadcrumbs. Butter has mixed into the flour evenly, we want to add an egg. Followed by some water. And then bring the dough together to form a nice smooth pastry. Leave that to chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes so it can simplify a little. By sugar and cinnamon mixed together. Then we want to grate on some fresh nutmeg. And finally, we want to evenly sprinkle over our raisins and sultanas, leaving a little gap around the edges so that we can roll it and seal it. Once you've sprinkled all of your fruit, you want to take the bottom edge and just carefully roll it on itself until you form a log shape, giving it a slight press once you roll the whole roll together, and that will seal the